Welcome to my channel, and I'm inviting you to see the view from my window.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Yes guys, today we're gonna talk about this room fragrance or nowadays we're all in quarantine and ginagawa natin is magluto lang ng tama. Kasi ako yung ganun ako guys eh. I stay at home. Si Habi lang yung nag-work at the moment kasi naka-quarantine o lockdown, ika nga. Lockdown ang lolo nyo. So, nangangamoy ang bahay. O, diba? Pero syempre, kinukontra ng lolo nyo. That's why I love to have room fragrance. I usually buy yung mga candle. Pag walang scent na candles, hindi na siya nakakatulong guys. So, kailangan talaga mga scented candles. Kaya lang, guys, ang mahal na. Syempre, nagtitipid na ang lola nyo, diba? During this lockdown, we have to save money because mas mabuti pang ipambili natin ng food yun. So, I got an answer for you. Yes, I got this room fragrance by Scents by Karla. I'll put down her link below, yung IG page niya where you can order, especially when you're in UAE. Sasagot siya kaagad sa inyo. She will reply to you. And for easy transaction, tsaka mura lang siya guys. Hindi siya mahal. So anyway, you can PM her. And disclaimer lang, even though I know her, I will still say my complete honest opinion about this room fragrance. Yes! Totoo yun. So, Scents by Karla. Sige, dun muna tayo. What is Scents by Karla? Before yes, gumagawa talaga siya ng ng perfume guys. Nagme-mix and match siya ng mga oils hanggang sa yung basta ang babango ng mga pabango niya. Siya mismo yung gumagawa ng perfume. So, umu-order din ako sa kanya para kasi pag everyday ka nag-perfume tapos gagamitin mo yung mamahalin, diba nakakapanghinayang. So, I order from her. And this time around, hindi mo na siya masyado nagsisell ng perfume, pero although yun yung talagang kanyang is about fragrance, about perfume. So, ito ang pinapromote niya is yung room fragrance. Yan. Kasi hindi naman tayo lumalabas ng bahay, guys, diba? So, I rather buy ito, pabango sa bahay. Anyways, luto na luto ang lolo niya at palaging nasa bahay. So, kailangan natin magbabakong bahay. Kasi for me, I don't know if you're same like, I should not only smells good, but also the surrounding or the place that I'm sleeping in or yung kung saan ako nagsistay. Kasi it affects my mood. Oo, totoo, it affects my mood. It influences kung magiging angry ba ako, magiging happy, magiging depressed, magiging sad. Depende doon sa amoy ng place. O diba? I don't know. But yun yung na-observe ako sa akin guys. So, I don't know if you're like that. Pero if you're a person like me, syempre gusto nyo mabango yung place nyo, may neutral scent, ganyan. We'll start with lavender. Kita nyo ba guys? Yan, lavender. Ang lavender is, it's written here, dream. O, diba? Dreams. Kanta pa ang lola niya. Room and linen spray nakalagay dito. This is 250 ml, approximately 8.45 ounce. Yan. It says here hand poured. Di ba sinabi ko nga sa inyo, siya yung gumagawa ng sariling perfume niya. Siya yung nagme-mix and match ng mga oils niya. This is lavender scents. Smell natin. Smells like powder na powdery smell siya guys. Na fresh. O, diba? Freshness. Powdery smell na freshness. Ang bango. Bango siya. By the way, yung bottle niya is plastic siya. Pero yung hindi siya yung plastic na nayuyupi ka agad. Tapos, medyo see-through siya, guys. You can see, I don't know if you can see it. Medyo see-through siya. Makikita niyo talagang puno siya. Puno yung content niya. Tapos, ayan, may cream siya and spray siya. Diba? Damo. Yan. Tapos, meron ding breathe. Yung breathe is lemon mint. Ganyan yung itsura niya. By the way, guys, baka yung bottle and yung prints, iba-iba siya. Kasi depende kung ano yung available niya. So, kasi nakita ko sa iba, there is red. I love red. But anyway, white is classic. So, maganda rin siya. Let us smell. This is lemon mint. Bango, guys. Of course, lemon mint, lemonade, something like that. And minty smell. Ang bango. Bango siya. Lastly, there is lime and cedar. Ay, grabe. Grabe. This is what I like the best. Kasi alam nyo kalong ka-smell niya, guys. D&G, yung light and blue D&G. Ang bango. Anyways, I love them all. I love them all. Kasi yung smell niya is neutral. O, diba? Neutral. Fresh lang yung smell niya. O, diba? Fresh, neutral. Kasi pag masyadong matapang, ayaw ni Halloween, guys. I don't know. Mostly yung men, mga lalaki, I don't know if you observe it, they don't like strong smell. Kaya, mas maganda na yung ganito. Kasi dati nag-spray ako. Ayaw ni Happy ang baho daw. Pero para sa akin, ang bango-bango nun, guys. Para sa kanya, mabaho. Ang dal-dal ko ba, diba? Sorry, yung sasabihin kay Mr. Kids. Anyways, yung marami siyang scent. Recap. Yung sinabi ko sa inyo, guys, ang ganda ng bottle niya. Diba? Yung appearance, ang ganda. Classic. Pwede nyo pang display sa bahay. Ganyan lang. So, anywhere na kung saan nyo pwedeng ipatong pan-display, spray nyo lang na ganyan. Bango! Diba? So, kasi yung itsura niya, classic lang, guys. So, ayan yung appearance-wise, yung bottle, ang ganda. Classic, saucy, walang masyadong ano. So, you can put it sa mga display shelf nyo, cabinet. So, parang decoration na rin siya. And then, when you need it, you just spray it. Yun na nga, spray siya. Diba? Tapos, it has different scents. Pamili ka na lang dun sa page at saka kung anong available na scent. Pero, for me, this three, ang babango niya. Neutral scent lang. I like the neutral scent. Kasi nga, for me, the smell in your house or smell or the scent, it affects your mental health. So, you should always be happy. We should always cheer up kahit ganito yung situation natin. Tama? Diba? Anyways, that's all. That's my review, guys. And as I've said, I will leave, did I say? Or I will leave in the description box yung IG page niya where you can order in UAE. And you can just check out the page what else she got over there. She's all about scents, she's all about fragrance, she's all about perfume. Yun. And so, yun lang. Ay, hindi ko napapahabain ito, guys, kasi isa lang ang masasabi ko. I love it. I love it. I love it! Diba? When I say I love it, guys, ibig sabihin talaga recommendable. Otherwise, I will not review a product kasi nakakatamad lang. And I do believe yung saying na if you don't have anything nice to say, don't open your mouth. Oh, diba? So for me, I love this room fragrance. Oh, diba? Anyways, it can uplift your mood in this time of pandemic. Believe me. Yay! Yun lang, guys. And thank you to all my new subbies. Welcome. And to all who's been there for me since the beginning. Much love. I love you. So, if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. Yung notification bell, yung little bell, guys. Click all para you will be notified every time I upload a video. And also, let's be friends. Follow me in my social media. It's all Jessie Kids. Yes, Jessie Kids. I'll see you all in the next video. I miss you, munchkins. And don't forget to always be a blessing to others. Yun lang, guys. Mwah! Bye!
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack.
Bango!
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
No, you got to be strong.